Hi, today I'm front of me POCO M5 and I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll here to sound and vibration. After that, scroll a little bit down and you'll see here silent mode switchers. Just to activate silent mode, click once on the switcher. Now we can see that our ringtones, they are muted notifications, so this means that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, click on the switcher here once again and that's it. Also, if you want, we can silence media in silent mode, so this means that games, music, videos and other apps, they will also silence, not only ringtones and notifications. So also we have the second way how we can activate the silent mode. You can use volume buttons, up and down volume button here. Just click here once on the volume button on this bell icon. When you will click here to the volume buttons, click once on the bell icon and now silent mode is turned on. If you want to turn it off, click on this icon once again. And one more way, just open notification panel shortcuts and somewhere here you should find mute icon. Click once and silent mode is activated. To turn it off, click on the icon once again and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.